Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are we all doing today? I hope you are doing fantastic. I am feeling fantastic, so I hope that feeling passes on to you guys out there. So, hello, welcome back to my videos, channel, whatever. I'm doing a makeup look today. I'm excited to be using this palette because, quite frankly, I ordered it at the start of January and I've only just received it. So it is the Unicorn Cosmetics Wicked Palette. If you know me, you know I like skulls, and also I'm a sucker for packaging. So this is the Wicked Palette from Unicorn Cosmetics. This is the outer carton. That one is the back. It's got a skull on the back. As soon as I seen this, I wanted it. So I ordered it, but then he said it wasn't going to come till the 21st of January, which was okay. So wait 21st January. Even though I had an email saying it had been dispatched, still hadn't heard anything. Contacted them, it's like, oh yeah, it's going to be dispatched on the 27th. So the 27th came, and then another week after that, I received it. So, long awaited Wicked Palette. I didn't just order that one, I ordered this one as well. This one was £12 in the sale. This is the Totemic, Totemic, the Totemic palette. Probably butchering that, but yeah, I thought it was cute, and for £12 you can't go wrong. The colours in this one are those, so some brights, but the star of the show is not that one, it is this one. So let's get into it. I'm going to show you what it looks like. So that is the front of it. It's got another skull on the front. And did I just buy it because of the packaging? Yes I did, people. So yeah, that is the front. The back is just plain Jane. It's got the ingredients. Oh, it's got some lady, don't know who that is. Is that the person who owns Unicorn Cosmetics? Maybe. So, wait until you see inside. They are, I'm going to hold it that way. They are what's inside. Some of the pans have skulls on as well, so I thought that was amazing. I just love it, and I can't wait to get stuck into it. So yeah, I thought this would have been coming in time for my Veganuary series that I'd done in January, because Unicorn Cosmetics is vegan, so I was going to do a look with this, but now it's February. This is just a makeup video, so makeup video trying Unicorn Cosmetics. This has sold out like 3 times since they released it, so it's quite hard to get hold of actually. Out of all the makeup palettes I have had in the past, this was the hardest one to get hold of. So let's get stuck into it. Now, I've done my eyebrows, but this one looks fatter than this one. I think this one's on a diet. What do you think? Are they the same size? Not like size matters, but when it comes to brows, I'm pretty sure this one's on a diet. My brows I struggle with a lot. If you watch my makeup like videos, you know that I always complain about my brows. But yes, I don't know. Let's get stuck into this, because if you've clicked on this video, I am probably guessing that it's the makeup look you're going to see. I'm not a professional, I just like to play around with makeup. Not once have I called myself a makeup artist, great at makeup. I am just a amateur who has trained himself. I'm not even trained, I'm just like a person playing with makeup. So I have no idea. You know what? Is this like the ASMR like stuff? Because this mirror's got a... Okay, I butchered that. Moving on. Oh, the mirror's good. I don't think my foundation is my set shade. In the camera, it looks pale, but in the mirror, it looks orange. I don't know. You know what? Let's just get stuck in. I don't know which one I want to go in with first. So I'm going to take the very first shade, which is called Eternal, and shall we swatch it? No. Shall we swatch? Shall we swatch it first? Oh, that feels creamy. So that's the shade. Ooh, that's quite good actually. Ooh, I'm excited to use that now. It felt quite creamy in the pan. They are very light, like lightly light, because the skull has started to deteriorate already. So let's have a play. So now I want to take Corpse, which is this mustard shade, matches my nails. I'm going to see if we can smoke it out into a mustard. Don't know if this will work. Probably going to mess it up already, but let's give it a shot. Ooh, I'm loving that. It's turned it into like a dark sage colour, but I'm liking it. So I'm going to take this blue. How do I show you? I like them. I like this palette because the two middle rolls, the pans are split into two, so you've got double the colour. So I'm going to take this colour called Creep. So Creep. Ooh, that blue is amazing. So I'm going to take this shade called Afterlife, which is a turquoise colour, and go from the inner corner mixing in with that blue. I am loving that. So I want to use a purple. Actually, I want to use this grey. This is called Hex. No, you don't. So Hex is this grey colour. Or shall I use Envy? Envy is this darker grey colour, so it's this one or this one. Sorry, I'm going to go with Envy, which is the darker grey. I'm loving my eyes. So, Envy. It's the darker one. Wish me luck. Oh, I'm going to take this underneath the eye. So I don't know if you can see, but I've kind of made it more detailed so you can actually see it. It's not actually blended into anything, but I am liking the way I've done that. Not really done that before, but I'm liking it. So now I'm going to take the lighter grey Hex and connect the inner corner to where I've put that darker grey called Envy. Or shall I do purple? I want to do that purple, which is Wicked. So underneath is thicker than I originally expected it. So that means I'm just going to have to smoke it out a bit more. So I'm going to take Corpse again, which is the mustard colour, and just give it a bit of a smoke out. So I want to take, yeah, the blending got a bit out of control. I have kind of made it into like a exaggerated blend. So mistakes have been made, but we are living with them. Yeah. So I'm going to take Afterlife and blend the arches on my nose. I'm loving that. So this 666 shade, it looks very, very bright. Or shall I use Fallen? Hmm, nothing really there. Which one do you think? Maybe they go on better with a brush. Actually, I'm going to take Hella, which is a shimmer green. Oh, that actually shows. Wow, that shows up. Oh, spoke too soon. Is anything there? I need a finger. Can't see anything. Do any of these shimmers work? These shimmers are rubbish. Don't know how I'm going to use them. Okay, this does something. I've had to dig into it though. Kind of give it like a halo eye, but like a spotlight eye, but I don't know if I like it. You know what? I did get a highlighter as well. So this is the highlighter in shade Glow Tint Lit Up, and that's the shade. So I think I might use a bit of that. Oh, hello, I've used a bit of that on top and that's made it pop. So I want to put that underneath my brow bone. So I am loving that. It's not everyone's cup of tea, but I love a good dark smoky eye, and that is a good dark smoky eye. So I am going to go and do my mascara, bronzer, and I'm going to add more highlighters to these cheeky cheeks, and then I shall get back to you. So I am back. I have used the highlighter that I got from Unicorn Cosmetics. The lips are the Stila Vinyl lip vinyls. I love this stuff. It's like pigmented, like really pigmented gloss, and it's just amazing. There is transfer, but it's clear, and it blows my mind that the colour stays on, but when it transfers, it's clear. I don't understand this magicry. Moving on. But I love this look. So this palette, I'm not going to think that way. So this palette, the mattes worked okay for me, but those shimmers, they shocked me. They were so bad to apply. I really struggled with those glitters, and well, I don't think there's any glitters. I think it was all shimmer. I don't know if you meant to add water to it or what, but 26 matte and shimmer eyeshadows designed to cast a spell on you. Wow, the mattes definitely worked, but the shimmers, no. I was disappointed. Yeah, I really wanted to fall in love with that palette completely, but those shimmers let me down. But I am happy with this look. As I say, it's not everyone's cup of tea. This is my style, and I love how bold and outrageous it is. So, if you like it, give me a big thumbs up. Thank you for watching this video, and hopefully I shall see you all in my next video. So, it's a goodbye from me, Matt. Goodbye from my soul, and stay sassy.